Hello everyone. Real quick tutorial on a really amazing pork chop recipe. If you don't eat pork, this tutorial or video would not be for you. For those that enjoy a wonderful pork chop, real quick, real simple ingredients. I'm going to start off with my Cajun seasoning. A little Lawry's. Followed by some onion powder and garlic powder. Being that these chops are a little medium in width, I am prepping them for dinner. Paprika. Paprika is what? A tenderizer and a great browner. Black pepper. Top is seasoned already really well. All I need to do is to take my fork and maneuver each piece around at the bottom to make the flavor also top and bottom. Okay? Last and final ingredient, most important, get you some buttermilk. Just going to simply put this buttermilk right on top. About that much. That buttermilk is going to absorb all of those flavors, causing all of the flavors to get a really nice coating. Same for top and bottom. Just going to simply place the lid on it, allow it to marinate, and I will join you back live once these have marinated. That's a little too small. Okay. And I will not put those in the refrigerator because they are fresh out of the refrigerator. I'm bringing these to a room temperature and allowing them to just sit there and marinate. And when you fry those pork chops up, baby, you're gonna have a nice crispy outside with a soft meat on the inside. The flavor is gonna be so amazing. Be careful that you don't bite that bone. Side it with some fresh frozen broccoli, allowing that to thaw. So I'm just going to simply sit this here and let it thaw. Once that thaws, that broccoli thaws out completely, I will not need to add any water. I will season it with some garlic powder, a little kosher salt, and allow it to steam. Okay? This is your girl Cooking with Steph, and we will be back once these chops have marinated. And we will begin to get dinner on the table. So I decided to do fried pork chops, steamed fresh frozen broccoli with cheese. And you know me, I'm always undecisive on my other side. it'll either be a baked potato or some steamed jasmine rice. Stay tuned. I'll be back when I get ready to fry these chops up. Let's let those marinate there for about 45 minutes or so, and I will join you back shortly.